Broke into great jubilation.
Ano po, Secretary, ang initial na reaksyon ng Pangulo na sinabi na, Ma'am, second round, baksak si Hato, nanalo si Pacman. Ano po ang initial na reaksyon ng Presidente, Secretary?
Parang we found it incredulous na gano'n lang
Kabilis, no?
Kabilis, no? I mean, we were discussing about that last night. We thought that between two team aabot ang mga 6th round. Umabot sa we were ecstatic about it. There was whooping and in the delegation, lalo na po si Trade Secretary Twitter Fabila na isa ring great sing fan pala.
Okay, Secretary, thank you so much. Ingat po kayo dyan. And magkakapalit po dyan. Thank you so much. Si First Secretary Sergio Monte, mga kapuso, ang inyo po napakinggan. Nasa Egypt pala sila, Dennis. Si General Santos City, makibalita. Richie.
Okay, kasama kami, unti-unti nang lumalabas yung mga tao sa Saudi at sa Pilipinas. Nakausap